Hi, my name is John Ball. I'm an application engineer for EXAIR. In this video, I will be going over the mini-series of our industrial housekeeping products. This will include the mini chip vac and the mini reversible drum vac. The mini chip vac has a filter bag to allow the air to escape and collect the larger particles like things like chips and swarf. The mini reversible drum vac is designed for liquid applications only to pick up quick spills. Both systems come with a 5-gallon drum so that they're small and very portable. The mini reversible drum vac system will come with a spill recovery kit. With both systems, we can add a 5-gallon drum dolly to go from the standard package to the deluxe package. Here we have the mini series, which it comprises of 2 systems anyways, one for the dry material, one for the liquid materials. For the dry materials, it's the model number 6293-5. It comes with two parts. The drum dolly, the 9041-5, and the model number 6193-5. For the mini reversible drum vac system, this will come in 3 components. We have the 9041-5 drum dolly, the 6901 spill recovery kit, and then the model 900814 reversible drum vac system. So we'll go ahead and open these up and see how we can assemble them and get them operational. For the spill recovery kit, the 6901, we'll just go ahead and open up the box. And what we have in here are 2 pieces, the actual wand itself and then the head of the vacuum here. These connected parts here will actually screw together. Loosen this up, place that in there, and tighten it, hand tighten it. Do not use a wrench, and then it will swivel. All right, for the 9041-5 drum dolly, there is going to be some assembly required. So let's go ahead and open up the box and take out the components to see what we have. As you can see, we have the stand, and then we have 4 casters. So we'll go ahead and open that up and put them onto the frame. Okay, now to assemble this together, we're going to add the casters to the frame. Just make sure that the indents are going up with this, and we'll have to do that for all 4 casters. Bring the bolt up through, add the washer, and then the lock nut. Tighten all 4 down for each caster. Okay, let's do some assembly. Take out the drum vac. And remember, for any of these threaded connections, to put some type of sealant on it to prevent leaks. We're going to attach the ball valve. Add this to the 3/4 inch threaded sections in the drum. Alright. Now let's add the stand plate. That goes in the 2-inch side. And we're going to add the male section anyways into the threaded portion of the stand plate. This is the female cam lever port that will connect to the hose right here. And then lift up on the cams to lock it in place. And then we have the vacuum accessories tools, which adds 2 extension wands. The floor tool, and the crevice tool. Hook up some compressed air, make sure it's dry and clean, and you'll be ready to operate. Alright, opened up the box for the 6193-5. So let's see what kind of components we have inside here. So to start out first, we have the drum, the 5-gallon drum. And it's a setup for the bag filter and for the vacuum pump. It comes with a 10-foot hose. They're plugged. Comes with a manual valve. Comes with a vacuum pump. We have the bag filter, or the filter bag. Comes with the extension, and it comes with a chip wand. Okay, let's do some assembly. Make sure to look inside the drum, because in this case we have some vacuum accessories. We have the dust brush. We have the floor tool, and we also have the crevice tool. So they're nice attachments to go to the end of the vacuum hose. Alright. First, let's look what we got inside the vacuum pump. See, we have a gauge to go on top. And we have the vacuum pump. You see it's threaded at the bottom to hook right here to the 2-inch side. It does come with a T and a place to put the gauge and the manual valve. So let's go ahead and do that. Remember to put pipe sealant on all the threaded connections, but for this demonstration I'm going to just do that dry. So I'll hook on the gauge, top, and the manual valve. As you can see, this is barbed for where the vacuum hose will attach. So let's go ahead and place that in here. Alright, now for the vacuum bag, you will need to have a flat screwdriver or a spin tight to tighten up this clamp. The best way to do this is actually just to place this through the center of that clamp and place this on the bracket, the filter bag bracket. As so. It's good to have a little extra material all the way around. Take a look, make sure it's sealed, and then we'll go ahead and tighten it down. There we go. Now we can add the hose to the top. Add the whichever vacuum tool you wish to have, or even the chip wand to the other end. Add dry compressed air, and you have a working mini chip vac.